2017 Chevy Express high top handicap wheelchair conversion van. Just in. Beautiful, beautiful shape. All the handicap equipment is from 2017. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Fully loaded navigation backup camera. Transfer seat, hand controls. It's a bad boy. Brand new tires. Just serviced at the GMC dealer. This thing's ready to go. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. 954-561-2499. Call us anytime. 6-way transfer seat. Braun 750-pound wheelchair lift. Navigation, backup. Rear power folding bed. TV, loaded. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Big screen. 103,000 original miles. This thing is decked out, loaded, ready to go. Chrome wheels. Power folding bed. Check this bad boy out. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You can text us there as well. Supreme Motors, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.